Shri Guru Bhyo Namaha. Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. This is part 15 of presentation by myself, Brahmadeshan Venkataraman, and this session is about how to beat inflation with INFLAPRO combo plan in the present scenario with systematic investment plan and systematic withdrawal plan. This combo plan is an innovation and it has got 12-year systematic INFLAPRO investment, the flexibility in a systematic investment plan with monthly, annual, etc. Life cover of up to age 100 by applicable NAV, 40-year systematic withdrawal, 100% tax benefit, systematic withdrawal plan, also a growth of 1028%. Internal rate of return is 11% per annum during the investment period, and during post-retirement period it is 9%. Highlights of these schemes are entry age is 35 years, policy premium paying term is 12 years, wait is 13 years, retirement is at the age of 60, and the total term is 65 years. From 35 on 12 years PPT plus 13-year wait time plus up to age of 85 the annuitant's expected life, another 25 years plus another 15 years as the spouse time. We will see this more later. In systematic investment for the first 12 years, the starting amount is 80,447 rupees per annum. That is 80,000 rupees, approximately 81,000 rupees per annum. And every year the investment increases by 6%, and by 12th year the investment amount will be 1.53 lakh, and the total investment works out to be 13.63 or 0.14 lakh, that is 14 lakh, 0.14 crore. The corpus it generates is 1 crore 4 lakh. And with this 1.4 lakh, there is a systematic withdrawal plan for next 40 years with 3,20,000 rupees starting amount per year, and a last amount is, ending amount is 14.65 lakh, and the total withdrawal was 3.27 crore. Further, there is a further payment at the end of 19th, beginning of the 100th year, that is 59 lakh rupees, that is 0.59 crore, and maturity is 10.65 crore, and the grand total of these withdrawals work out to 14 crore 51 lakhs. These are innovative schemes for non-banking finance companies and insurance companies. The gist is repay 14 lakhs in 12 years, wait for 13 years, get systematic withdrawal plan of 3 crore 27 lakhs, 40 years plus, for 40 years plus further 59 lakhs, and maturity of 10 crore 65 lakhs. This is for the attention of finance companies, personal finance advisors as well as investors. The scheme details are given here. The entry age can be from age 1 to age 98. Expected life should be greater than the entry age and can be up to age of 100. The condition for expected life, maturity life is that at least one higher than the retirement age, and of course retirement age be greater than the entry age. In the sample case, current withdrawal is 6,500 rupees per month. We will see all these things in the when you are doing the web demo. Total investment is 14 lakhs. Corpus generated is 1 crore 4 lakhs. Total benefit is 14 crore 51 lakhs. Overall yield is 162.186% over 65 years. The internal rate of return is 11% per annum for corpus building period and 9% in the post-retirement period. In case of joint account, on premature death or on survival beyond 85 years, on the 86th year, the pension withdrawal amount is 50% of the last pension on 85th year. Subsequently increases at 6% inflation per annum. 100% tax benefit would be available, and to this extent only, to get 100% tax, avoid 100% tax benefit, the current value of pension annuity is limited to rupees 6,500 rupees. In this case, our calculated annual rate of current value is 74 lakhs at 10% interest rate, 11% interest rate, which makes out the requirement at the age of 60 at 30 years earnings as 3,20,000 per annum. In case of current scenario, wherein systematic INFLAPRO investment plan and the systematic withdrawal plan are not available and want to manage the funds one by oneself, one can invest in mutual fund, shares market, new fund offer, IPO, top up, etc. and invest periodically the prescribed amount as per calculations available in these pages and reap the benefit of systematic INFLAPRO withdrawal during the entire term. In such a method, one can take risk and fetch more returns than the one specified in the scale, and again more return means more growth. Now let us go to the web demo and go to my website bnvenkat.com and go to combo plan. Type bnvenkat.com and look for combo plan. Combo plan is here. INFLAPRO combo RD pension. Now many have got something filled up. Let us fill up the menu properly and take it. See, we will take current value, pension value is, let us say, 6,500 rupees only. This it is taken for at the 6,500 rupees just because we will have 100% tax benefit both during investment as well as withdrawal. Let the rate of interest be 11% and rate of post-retirement interest is 9%. Let the current age be 35, retirement 60 and 85 years expected life, and let us say it joint life at 50% payable to the spouse after 85 years of the annuitant. Choice here is calculated automatically 65 years, and we will take auto here. Auto is on now. Auto is one which will calculate the growth rate as per the inflation protection we are going to give, and it will calculate automatically. It will not take it as this 100% or default 100%, etc. It will calculate automatically. Now let us fill up the input inflation protection percentage and then submit. Inflation protection is percent from 10% to minus 10% to plus 10%, and M is for moratorium years. See, 12 years let us give at this 6% rate increase, and from 13th year onwards let us take it as a moratorium. Moratorium period is not applicable for the retirement period. Let us submit. It has calculated, and the figures are available here. The current value of pension is 6,500 rupees per month. It works out to 3,20,000 per annum at the age of 60. From here we get the calculations. Monthly investment is yearly. Annual investment is at the completed age of 35 we are starting this scheme, and it is 81,000 rupees and goes on increasing up to 1,53,000, and all this will be exempted from tax because it is less than 1.50. The last figure 1.53, what you can do is, in the previous year end of the previous period itself, you can add 3,000 rupees and reduce the last installment by 5,000 rupees, so that it comes to 1,50,000 only. And 13 years is the moratorium period. There is no transaction either of investment nor of withdrawal. From 60th onwards, completed year 60 onwards, we can start withdrawing 3.22 lakh per annum, and 6% increase every year, and by 85th year, whether the person annuitant survives or dies, the spouse will start getting, spouse or the same annuitant even survival will get half of what was drawn in the previous year, and subsequently the withdrawal is increased by 6% every year. Now there is an audit table for first is investment plan. Investment, it goes here, and start with Bradford figure is 0. We have got RD amount. On this we have got a interest, and total closing balance on the first year is this 89,740, and that is carried over to next year, and addition of 6% over and above the previous RD amount at 85,000 rupees, 86,000 rupees, and the corresponding interest and the closing balance, and it is increased in the compounding pattern and goes up to 1,53,000. The total investment is 13,64,000. And then from 60th year we can start withdrawing the annuity. First year annuity is 3.2 lakh, then increases by 6%, and by 85th year, that is complete age of 85, this is half the previous figure, and subsequently it increases by 6%, and at 100th year it is 14.65 lakh. And on 100th birthday, 100th year, one gets on the first day one gets additional amount of 59 lakh, and after that the surrender value, the closing value, the return of purchase price. Presently is 10 crore 65 lakhs. These are summarized in the highlights of the sample combo. Age, premium paying term, waiting years, retirement age, term in total term in years. Systematic investment plan starts at 81 lakh to 81,000 rupees, increases to 1,50,000 rupees, and total investment is 14 lakh 0.14 crore. And corpus generated on 60th year is 1.04 crore, 1 crore 40 lakh. Systematic withdrawals immediately. Systematic withdrawal starts, and first year it is 3.2 lakh. Look at it. We have last payment. Our last payment was 1.53 credit. Now withdrawal is 3.20. It's much higher than the last amount paid. Okay. The total benefit comes out to approximately 14 crore 51 lakhs. Let us go to our demo. These are available in the PDF file also. I'll be giving the proper link now. Use the following link. We have already seen it. To how to use the following link: pnvenkat.com, INFLAPRO combo RD pension, and fill up the menu including inflation percentage and moratorium M, and submit to see the result and audit table and highlights. Following pages show PDF of the sample case. Please visit pnvenkat.com. Investors can invest in portfolios on their own. Investors can invest in portfolios on their own and invest as per inflation protection, and also withdraw on their own as per the calculated samples. Startup and financial companies, advisors, portfolio managers can take these innovative ideas and improve their business based on INFLAPRO calculations. The calculations are open source and one can make their own tables downloaded or printed for their choices. No login is required, no personal details asked. Let us see in next session about more cases and ideas of compound plan in the same website pnvenkat.com, and one can explore on their own also. One can give custom figures in the menu and arrive at present calculations. There is one more thing, that is, in case of one more thing, we have already seen in one of the previous sessions about CII. I could not get this immediately. Untitled Chapter. Okay, I could not get it ready, and I could not get it just offhand. Let me discuss about it in the next session. Now let me close it.